Hi guys, Hypno here, and today I would like to do a little unboxing of something I was really looking forward to, which is, as you can see, Sensecap M1 Helium miner. That's a little specification at the back. So yeah, let's do it. Let's see what's inside. Of course, handy toothpick. Okay. I was really looking forward to see how it works, its performance. Right. We don't do that. Packaging, right? A little instruction. Basically, one page, so not that difficult. And here it is, a little beauty. Someone asked me about the size of the box, so the approximate size is 27.5 centimeters wide and 17.5. So that's the dimension of the box. Right, so that's the little beauty. Obviously the miner itself, USB port, Ethernet port, antenna. Of course, most important things you have to always remember before plugging the power in, before connecting to the power, make sure you plugged in antenna first. That is a must. Do not plug in the device without having the antenna attached first. So that's no go. First you plugged in the antenna and then you can power up the device. So yeah, so we have the device itself and antenna obviously, and the power adapter for me is a European USB-C connector. It's power charger, as you can see, 5 volts output, 3 amperes, 15 watt charger. Really simple, nothing else, nothing on the second, there's no second button. So that's it really, antenna, the miner itself, the device, and the hotspot, I should say. Quite a few people are getting really upset if I would call it a miner. Yeah, it's not miner, it's a hotspot. Yeah, so hotspot itself, area, and the charger. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Have a great day, and bye for now.